So this is exactly why I quit YouTube. Now, it's probably not the video you all expected me to make, but I have some explaining to do. Now, before we get into things, do me a massive favor, hit that thumbs up button. It really does help me out and it shows your appreciation. Now then, let me explain why I've had to quit YouTube. Now, for those that don't know, for the past, I guess, 2 or 3 years or so, I've been building this garage right here behind me, and it's something that I wanted to build for the channel, and I thought it was going to take the channel to the next level. However, though, it's came to a point where I don't think I can continue doing YouTube. Now, this may come to as a massive shock to you all, but yeah, it's really just got to that stage now where I just can't continue making videos. Now, don't worry, I haven't stopped uploading YouTube videos forever. Until I get this dream car garage build completed, or at least to a stage where I can comfortably work in it, I am going to postpone uploading YouTube videos. Now, why is this? So, as I mentioned, I've been basically planning and building this dream car garage now for the past 2 or 3 years or so, and I feel like I'm so close to completion. And over the past few months, I have kind of tried to juggle working on the garage myself as well as trying to work on cars, but it just means that I don't get one or the other done very efficiently. So I'm trying to have a car in there while working around all different bits and pieces that I need to build the garage. I can't get the garage done quickly because there's cars in there, there's tools everywhere. So yeah, I just think it's best for me and it's best for the channel that if I just focus on one thing at a time, get the garage done efficiently, and then once it's all done, we can get all the cars in there, we can get all the tools in there, and we can resume creating YouTube videos again. Now, honestly, I cannot wait to show you guys exactly what I've been doing in there. I think it's going to blow some of your minds. But as I said, this is something that I've been working on now for the past 2 or 3 years or so, and it's something that has been probably 5, 6, 7 years in the making, and it's all leading to this point of getting this garage completed. So all I ask is just a little bit of patience. Let's get this garage finished off, and then we can get back to our regular content. Now, I say regular content, but I have a feeling once we are in this place, the content is going to go to the next level. So yes, I did quit YouTube. However, though, it's not going to be forever. It may be a month or 2, just so I can get this place finished off, and so it doesn't feel like I'm working 2 full-time jobs. Because for those that don't know, YouTube is my full-time job, but kind of finishing this garage mostly on my own is basically a full-time job as well. I mean, you can probably tell from the sheer size of it, it's basically like, you know, building another house. So there's been a lot of work, effort, money, time and everything gone into this place. But as I mentioned, I just cannot wait to show you inside of this place. Now, for those that haven't been following along the Dream Car Garage build series up to this point, I don't know if you've been living under a rock, but do yourself a favor, make sure you are catched up. Go back to the very start when this place looked completely different, and then follow through the videos and you'll see step by step how we got to exactly this point. Now, I'm not going to ramble on any more. I just wanted to make this video to explain where I've been and just to let you all know how excited I am for my return in my dream car garage build. As always then, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all very soon in that next one.